Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of Bitcoin. Now, in the last update, we were looking at the price action right at the spot. We were still expecting some weakness in Bitcoin back down to the downside cloud chart support target. This is a significant cloud chart support zone, as well as 80 and 79. So we got there, did a nice rebound from that roughly 82,383 target, then rallied, managed to get through the turning line of the cloud and then rebounded from there, then broke through the resistance both at the front end of the cloud as well as the standard line of the cloud. So we now a nice little rally in Bitcoin. Now it's getting closer to the 93,693 and there's old high resistance zone there. These lows here comes through in terms of resistance, and also let's just put a line in there for the tops there. I'll take those as kind of a resistance zone there as well. You can see these lows there can also now make up for a potential resistance zone. Now it's going to be smooth sailing up until that point. If we manage to get past this roughly the 95,000 resistance target there, the next upside target is the bottom in the cloud, and then ultimately this zone right at the top. Yeah, so that's the other resistance zone. So we've got two to three upside targets to look for: 93, 94, 95 and 99.3 upside resistance targets. So that would be the target for Bitcoin in the current rebound rally. For Bitcoin to be really bullish on the daily, we need to be back above the top end of the cloud. Yeah, so we're watching that for a really big medium-term bullishness. Let's just take a look at the weekly Ichimoku. We can see how that these lows here, this cluster of front cloud support as well as the standard line of the Ichimoku cloud resulted in a major rebound scenario there. So we can see beautiful rebound on that major support zone. So the weekly chart is still okay. Price actions above the cloud. It's consolidating a bit after a tremendous cloud chart rebound rally down here. Became extended from the top in the cloud, formed like kind of a double top, and then consolidated back down to the front end cloud. So it's kind of a textbook Ichimoku cloud chart trading strategy. You buy the cloud chart rebound, the cloud chart Ichimoku cross, gets extended from the top end of the cloud, where we look at the price action versus the top end of the cloud. That's profit taking zone. Wait for the snapback to critical support levels. The standard line as well as the bottom end of the front end of the cloud also make up for nice trades there on the weekly Ichimoku. But so far so good. The daily needs improvement. Let's take a look at the 4 hours Ichimoku cloud there, back above the top in the cloud. That's good news. Bullish on 4 hour Ichimoku cloud. Note the resistance zone there on the 4 hour to keep an eye on. It's going to be smooth sailing up until that point, and then this resistance zone, the bottom end of this cloud chart shadow zone there we go. 96,483 is the upside targets on the 4 hour. Now what we can see is a consolidation of this move back down to test the support here at 88,259, and then a continuation rebound from that zone. But back above the 4 hour Ichimoku cloud, that's good news. And let's just take a look at the hourly one. You can see our beautiful cloud chart cross delivered a nice buy signal there, another cloud chart rebound there, another buy signal there, and there was a weak buy signal below the Ichimoku cloud in and around this zone, and we did get that rebound. So there were a couple of buy signals. This one down here, support rebound, the classic Ichimoku buy signal. A weak one there is cloud chart cross to the upside, cloud chart rebound. So that all 4 or 5 trades now is in the profit on the 60-minute. Watch out for this resistance zone at the top end there. There we go. Keep an eye on that 91,861, as well as the standard line here should now act as support, and the top end of the front end of the cloud is also a support zone. Keep an eye on for potential support test of these downside support zone. But so far so good. Bullish on hourly, bullish on 4 hour chart, Ichimoku chart, with the upside resistance targets and downside support rebounds. And then on the daily, is if the rally lasts, we should see a retest of this 94.8, 96 and 99 upside targets. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.